Ito po. Sabit. Masira mo, Brad. Ayos. Ayan, maray na hapon ulit sa Indogabos. Kung subang yaon kita sa Korean House, tapos sa bagong hapon, yaon kita sa Indomalay. Ngunyan, yaon naman kita sa Mexico. Ayan. Uga pwede yung sarong sikat na foreigner, katong pig cover siya sa GMA, nagigibo siyang burrito. Ngunyan, since kaya nagkauga siya ng problema sa Manila, so naidea sa Naga, sa pagtabang po kang mga tawig di, nakakuha siya ng sarong sa ito negosyo, hindi niya pigpadagos sa iyang pag-ibo ng burrito. So kung matatandaan po rin do, itong pig vlog ko bang corn dog, kataid lang po siya, hindi po yan sa may San Felipe, Naga City. Uni na, para po mahiling nindo, Papa's Famous Burritos. Ayan, katay ko na po si may-ari kang Papa's Famous Burritos. Ang pangalan niya po si Sir Paul Neal. Ayan, from USA. He is an architect, currently architect. And then nag-igdi siya para ipadago sa negosyo niyang pinunan niya sa Manila. So, I will introduce Sir Paul Neal as the owner of this business. So, sir, how and where Papa's Famous came from?
Well, I've been making this food since I was like 9 years old. So I've been making Mexican food in Texas, where I'm from, for as Texas. Mexican food in Texas is like a tradition.
Yeah.
It's part. Texas used to be part of Mexico, so that's why I have the food like it is, and it's authentic. It's not like anything you eat here. But I started it last year because during the pandemic, I needed a way to make money, and we couldn't make no money doing what we was doing. So we started this business because nobody else does it. And the ideal thing is to start a business nobody does, do it good, and do it well, and then you'll be a good business. Well, it exploded during the pandemic. And since it exploded during the pandemic, GMA's put us on 24 hours and featured us. And then after that, our business just kept exploding and exploded. And we had a resto there. And anyway, I got tired of being in Manila and I come here and that's where we're at.
Okay, that's good, that's good. So what are the ingredients of doing like okay.
Go ahead.
What are the ingredients when you are doing burritos?
Well, you have ground beef.
Yeah.
So your ground beef, onion, tomato, corn, black beans, peas, tomato, onion. That all goes into it, and cabbage into a burrito.
Okay.
What do
so
you-
you're busy right now.
1 quesadilla.
Okay.
So you're busy right now. I wanna thank you for
I'll
the
give you a
opportunity to taste your specialty like burrito.
Yes.
Then it's nice to meet you.
Sure.
Okay.
No problem, man.
Thank you very much, Sir Paul.
Good.
And then, okay. So uni na po, nanamitan ko na.
Yeah, wait. Okay.
Yan.
Like
So,
this.
nanamitan ko na po siya. So, yun po yun ang specialty ni Sir Paul Neal. Ayan, burritos po. So, namitan ko na siya. Gano'n man ako nasa Mexico. Subaw kaya, may tig-vlog na ako duman sa Indomalay. Indonesia tapos Malaysia. Ngunyan nasa Mexico naman ko po yan. Napati ko tapos basig tapos subaw si mga kan. Ayan. I-shoutout ko si Stephen Camacho. Yan po duman, no? Nagbakal po. Nagbakal po ning arog kining burrito. So, kaya masiraman po siya. Bisitaw ninyo hindi. Hindi lang po yan sa may Parkview Executive Townhomes. Hindi po yan sa may San Felipe, Naga City. Ayan, katahid po yan kang condo. Kumalatan na yung dupig-vlog ko na siya 2 weeks ago. O yan, dahil po nagtag naman ng business si Sir Paul, pig-cover ko naman siya at the same time para mahiliman sa page ko, sa Papa AJ page na yawan po Sir Paul, ang Papa's Famous Burritos na masiram po, hali sa Manila. Actually, siya po na-covered niya sa GMA, siguro 2017 I think. Tapos ngunyan, yaw na siya ngunyan sa Naga City. So kay bayan si Agom niya, dahil ko na siya papailin si Agom niya. So ayan, Papa's Famous Burritos, dito lang po sa may San Felipe, Naga City, owned by Sir Paul Neal from Texas, USA. He is an architect and then he is a businessman. Okay? Thank you and then thank you for the burritos, Sir Paul. Peace out.
Good, huh?
Good, it's good.
Yummy.
Yummy.